Most desktop CNC machines feel like a compromise between a toy and a serious piece of equipment, but this little unit from TTC3018 manages to find a pretty interesting middle ground. It is small enough that it won't take over your entire workbench, weighing in at just 15 pounds, yet it feels surprisingly solid once you get it put together. Speaking of assembly, you are going to be spending some time with a bag full of parts. It is actually a decent way to understand how the XYZ axes move, though if you are the type who just wants to plug something in and go, the hour or so of setup might feel like a bit of a chore. Once it is running, though, the difference between this and the cheaper plastic-heavy models is immediately obvious. The Z-axis is all metal, and they have used T8 lead screws that really cut down on that annoying vibration you usually get when the bit hits the material. It handles wood and acrylic without breaking a sweat, and honestly, it can even take on brass or aluminum sheets if you are patient with your feed rates. The precision is right around that 1/10 of a millimeter mark, which is plenty for making custom nameplates or small parts for other projects. What really makes this thing stand out is the connectivity. You are not tethered to a laptop with a USB cable anymore. Having built-in Wi-Fi for sending files is a massive quality-of-life upgrade, and the offline engraving via the TF card slot is a lifesaver when you don't want to risk a computer crash, ruining a 3-hour carve. It plays nice with the standard software like GRBL and Fusion 360, so you aren't locked into some proprietary ecosystem that makes you pull your hair out. Now, it isn't perfect. The 775 spindle motor is fine for beginners, but if you are planning on doing heavy-duty production work all day, you are going to hit its limits pretty quickly. It can get a little noisy, and the working area is definitely on the smaller side, so don't expect to be milling large furniture panels. But for a makerspace, a classroom, or just a corner of a home office, it hits a sweet spot. It is a capable, sturdy little machine that doesn't pretend to be an industrial powerhouse, but it does exactly what it promises without the usual headaches. If you're looking to get into CNC work without buying a massive, expensive rig, this is a solid place to start.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.